We are showing you a live applications from our customers. So you can see this is a 6amMart demo applications we made for our recent clients. So this is a Android emulator run on the MacBook. So we open our customer applications, and then now we just change our locations, the customer's location. So our customer is from Madanapalle, Andhra Pradesh, India. So we choose the locations, and then you can see that pick locations. So once we select the locations, all the products and all the things are now live in our app. So we go to grocery, and then we select some products. So you can see all product section are working fine, and also you can add some discounts in the coupons and all the things. And now I go to view cart. Okay, so add to cart, and then I go to view cart. You can see all the products are shown in the cart, and also you can check the overall price and overall discounts. You can check, and then you need to confirm delivery address. Once you click confirm delivery address, you can place the order. You can place home delivery. So basically you can also add a charges in the home delivery. You can set for free, and also you can take away from the restaurant. You can choose, and you can see there is a how much tax, 22% the customer added. So we show that basically this is a guest user, so that's why we need to fill up the delivery locations. If you registered in the app, then you don't need to fill up the delivery locations. So basically that is the app. If you want to make your own 6amMart application, then you can also contact us in the given WhatsApp number. Basically that is a menu options and all the about us, and also help and support, about us, term condition, privacy policy. You can also open vendor applications from the user app, and also you can join as a delivery man in the company from the user app. All the options you can find in the option. You can also add a live chat option. So if somebody live chat from the application, for the live chat you need to log in, so we don't have that account. So we can log in through the OTP options. For the OTP options, we need to install the application in a mobile app, because the Android emulator does not support the Firebase authentication. I just show you. 9093211418. This is our WhatsApp number. So once we click login, the OTP is not coming in the Android emulator, because it's a Android emulator, not the original phone. That's why Google don't send. You can check this app is not authorized for the Firebase. If you want to check the application, you can also check. You can also check the Android app. So if you want to purchase the code and want to make this software for your business, you can contact us in the given number. You can also call, and you can also WhatsApp on the number. So thank you for that.